Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's PaigeShaian. If you're new, just stopping by, don't go too soon. Definitely press that subscribe button and continue to check me out. If you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. So today we are doing an install with our seamless clip-in extensions, which are extremely natural, extremely versatile, and something very quick that you can do at home and really don't even need a stylist for. So we actually just took out her tape-ins and we're going to give her hair a break, but she still wants some length and some fullness. So we went ahead and gave her a good shampoo, a deep condition, and a good blow dry. So now we are going to press her out as normal, and I am using my Babyless Nano Titaniums. Gave her a trim. I didn't include that in this video because I have plenty of videos of me completing haircuts and trims, so definitely go check those out. But we did give her a trim. Prior to installing her tape-ins, we gave her a little bit of a haircut, and her hair grew out so nice and so fast. She didn't do a lot of manipulation with the tape-ins, so it just allowed it to really, just do its thing, grow out. So I was really happy about that. Because it is going to cause for a better blend with the clip-ins. So she is fully pressed and her hair has a very nice length to it. We're going to take 2 packs of 18-inch clip-ins, which the clip-ins consist of 1 4-clip weft, 2 3-clip wefts, 2 2-clip wefts, and 2 1-clip wefts. We ended up having 1 3-clip weft left over. So we're going to go ahead and section her off. Really just measure out which one you want to use first. It really depends on the head size and how full you actually want it. So to mention, the total grams that the packet of clip-ins give is 120 grams. So it does give you a nice fullness to your hair in addition to your natural hair as well. So when sectioning off, I just go ahead and tease the root area a little bit because this will allow the clip-ins to be more secure in that specific spot. So the first clip-in is installed, and you can see it lays nice and flat, nice and seamless. So when we take the next section, it's going to lay perfectly. We're going to go ahead and press this out just so we can have a better blend, see what it's looking like, and then we'll work our way up, installing the rest of the clip-ins. I did have her hold the clips on the ends just so they would stay in place while I went ahead and pressed, because I really need to press on it. But that doesn't hurt either. If you're doing this at home, you might find that you have to like reclip it in that area because you're pressing it out, or you can style them prior to putting them in. That might be easier too. So look at this, y'all. This is such a good blend. It's such good coverage. It's seamless. It's flat. It gives the feel of a tape-in extension, to be honest. I think in the top we ended up putting the two clip wefts at the top, just to again give it some better blends, and some better coverage, and then we did the front. So we're gonna go in with some curls, get her some nice loose curls, nothing too tight, and then we'll be done. So if you are one that is looking for just some extra fullness, some extra length, but you don't really want to do an install, you don't want to get braids, or you don't want to get tape-in extensions, that's okay. Something quick, something easy that you can do at home. Seamless clip-ins could be a very good option for you. Definitely look into it. So we have them at our site at www.level27luxurycollection.com. Again, I do recommend 2 packs. It depends on how full you want it. It depends on how full your hair is too. So start off with 1, but definitely to make sure you have enough, maybe get 2. Again, there are 120 grams of hair in each pack, and that is in every length. So definitely check it out. Stick around for the end results, and I hope you guys enjoy.